There's so much fun to have in Reading. Let me introduce you to my friend Anthony at Country Bowl.
We have something for everybody. We have bowling, we have good food, we have a good bar, game room, pool tables. You know, we just want to be a great gathering place for the community to come and enjoy. People that have talked about the transformation here, it's really unbelievable the feedback we've got. Great atmosphere, family friendly, clean, fun. You know, new owners are doing a lot to the business. Those are things that really mean a lot to us and really what we're striving to do.
So Anthony, what's your gift to Reading?
One free game of bowling.
And how do they get it?
You click on the link below, and the first 10 will get a free rock and roll pass every month.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Reading, where the world wants to live.